Number two, solve for the variable x in the equation shown below, and which of the following is true? Okay, so here I have a -3 that I'm going to distribute to the parentheses. So I have 5x minus 5 minus 3x minus 3 equals 4x minus 4. Combine like terms on the left, and I have 2x minus 8 equals 4x minus 4. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and I'm going to add 4 to both sides, and then divide both sides by 2. So I get x equals -2. So there's only one solution, x equals -2, so I can eliminate the two options that say there's two solutions. And then I want to look for the -2 in these lists. Okay, so there's one solution, and it is in one of these lists. Here's my -2. Okay, so the answer choice is A.